Hey guys, welcome back. Otherwise, you are. So guys, my Apple iPad has just come in. I am so amazed. Shout out to Apple, but I'll cut that out the video. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Now, I'm not sure. So, mind this is the 64 gigabyte. This is the 64 gigabyte iPad to the iPad 9th generation. So, otherwise, let's just put the iPad aside. Just see what comes in the box. So you get like this greeting thing that says designed by Apple in California, and then you're gonna mind this is just like the Apple greeting. And obviously in all like Apple products you like obviously in all Apple products, which everybody's obsessed with, Apple stickers. Let's just put all this aside. We're going to get back to the unboxing. And this iPad supports the Apple Pencil Series 2, as you guys know. Lucky for Apple, I'm shaking right now, but you get the USB-C cable, as you know, Lightning to USB-C. And obviously, your power adapter. For once, thank you Apple for letting it come in the box. Like in the iPhone SE, it doesn't really come in the box. But yeah, back to the unboxing. So guys, I got this beautiful case. As you know, it's like blue. And shout out to all the Apple users that are like obsessed with Apple. And guys, I will be posting this on my TikTok. Apple iPad. Sorry, Bobby. Apple iPad Series 9. I am so excited, guys. It's finally here. Let's clip this into the case. Turning on, guys. Let's do this. Sorry about that. That's my dogs that are barking at the moment. Check out that clean finish. Yeah. This is my new iPad series. Well, so it's not like I'm gonna speed up through this, but South Africa, obviously. Quick setup. Whatever, and then we need to get our you need to type in the password here. So guys, may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. That's fine. I just love that new small glass. So I know that I'm not worrying about so you say continue, touch ID, set up later. But for like other Apple users, I would say if you guys wanted to set it up now, then if it's like possible with you, touch ID. Don't use passcode. Don't use passcode. Don't transfer apps and data. Set up later in settings. agree to terms and conditions apply. And then you get, obviously, this series, set up later in settings, screen time, share Apple Analytics here, share to developers, obviously. Then guys, you also get, now you get dark mode, and you get light mode. And welcome to iPad. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe or like on this video because obviously it's going to be on TikTok.